It's time now to meet our STEM Ambassador of the Week. Our STEM Ambassadors, women and girls doing great things in STEM. And boy, oh boy, do we have a dinger this week. I'll tell you what, this is Cassidy Williams. She is a junior at Western Reserve Academy. You are a participant in the Cleveland Clinic Doc Prep program. And as I'm reading all the things about you, I just keep going, oh my gosh, and she's only a junior in high school. First of all, welcome. We're thrilled to have you here.
Oh, thank you. I'm so happy to be here.
So what do you study? There's a class at Western Reserve Academy. It's the only one that is offered in the nation, and you got into that. Tell me why you got in on it and what you do.
So freshman year, I took our regular biology class and I really enjoyed it. So the next year, going into sophomore year, I decided that I would like to join our cancer immunology program, which is a lab that Dr. Aguilar had created. And I started studying, well, first we learned how to grow cells and just a lot of basic biotech skills. Then I continued on into a cancer project using the p53 gene, which prompts apoptosis or automated cell death in mutated cells.
Again, she's a junior in high school. Hasn't been to prom. Junior in high school. We're talking mutated cells. I just think it's so cute because you're like, oh, it's very basic tech stuff. We're growing cells. I mean, you know, a lot of people, that's really out there. Is there anything that you've been studying so far that has just completely blown your mind?
Well, really all of it is so interesting to me, and I'm just so blessed that I've gotten the opportunity to learn so much about science and the cancer cells and everything in that realm.
And you've had an internship that you've been dealing with. You're not just here in Cleveland, but you also travel too. Tell me about that.
So I actually had 2 internships this summer.
Of course.
I first went to Houston, Texas, to Baylor College of Medicine, and I participated in the Doc Prep program where there I watched a surgery and I learned how to suture and learned a lot about both clinical and research sides of medicine.
Cool.
Then later in the summer, I went to the Cleveland Clinic and I was there for a month working a 9-to-5 job as an intern in the TUI labs under the expertise of Justin Johnson, and it was wonderful. I learned so much about immunology and cancer.
Well, and October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so that TUI lab is very active in breast cancer prevention, not treatment, which is super exciting. And tell us about your poster that you made. This is so cute. You got a lot, the gloves and the vials. I mean, you got a lot of stuff going on here.
So this is basically what I just talked about, and then I have a picture. My first picture there is of some transformed bacteria cells that I made, and you can take a plasmid and insert it into a bacteria cell to make it glow or make them do all sorts of crazy things. And then I have some pictures of myself working in the lab, and this orange picture right here is actually of cancer cells that I grew myself.
That's incredible. Well, good for you. Where are you going to go to school? Have any plans yet?
Not sure where I'm going to go to school, but I would love to study biochemistry, and my ultimate goal is to get my MD PhD.
Atta girl, you do it. We're very proud of you. Incredible. And Western Reserve Academy, of course, in Hudson. A lot of really smart kids over there, and that immunology program is just phenomenal. So thank you very much.